What if you could save your kidneys before they fail, just by changing what you drink in the morning? Imagine waking up every morning and protecting your kidneys without pills, side effects, or hospital visits. Just a simple drink, something you can make at home, could gently flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and restore kidney health. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Science now confirms that certain natural morning drinks can help cleanse your kidneys, prevent damage, and in many cases, help delay or avoid dialysis altogether. And the best part, they are affordable, accessible, and easy to prepare. Let's explore the top 3 morning drinks your kidneys will thank you for. Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Essential Cures. Why morning drinks matter for kidney health. Your kidneys work 24/7, filtering blood, removing waste, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure. But over time, poor diet, dehydration, toxins, and medications can overload them. Drinking the right fluids first thing in the morning gives your kidneys a gentle head start. These drinks hydrate, flush out waste, reduce inflammation, and even protect against chronic kidney disease, CKD. Kick-starting our list at number 1 is barley water, the ancient elixir for kidney detox and function. Barley water has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, from Ayurveda to ancient Greek remedies, as a gentle yet powerful tonic for kidney health. Modern science is now confirming what ancient cultures knew all along. Barley water supports kidney function, flushes out toxins, and helps prevent chronic kidney disease. Why barley water is excellent for your kidneys. 1. Natural diuretic, flushes out toxins. Barley water increases urination naturally, helping the kidneys remove excess waste, salt, and fluid from the body. This helps prevent water retention, bloating, and swelling, common symptoms of kidney stress or early dysfunction. More urination equals less toxin buildup equals lighter workload for your kidneys. 2. Reduces creatinine levels, naturally. Elevated creatinine is often a warning sign of kidney impairment. Studies suggest that regular intake of barley water can reduce serum creatinine levels over time, an encouraging sign of improved kidney clearance and filtration. 3. Prevents kidney stones. Barley water is rich in magnesium and dietary fiber, which help dissolve certain types of kidney stones, especially calcium oxalate stones. Its high water content also dilutes the urine, reducing the risk of mineral deposits hardening into stones. 4. Rich in beta-glucans and antioxidants. Barley contains beta-glucans, which are special fibers known to lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation. These fibers support overall kidney function by minimizing oxidative stress, a leading cause of kidney cell damage. Barley also contains selenium, zinc, and vitamin B complex, which help repair tissues and support cellular detox. 5. Balances blood sugar and blood pressure. High blood sugar and hypertension are the top 2 causes of kidney failure. Barley has a naturally low glycemic index and helps regulate glucose levels. It also contains potassium and magnesium, which assist in lowering blood pressure, taking pressure off the kidneys. How to prepare barley water for kidney health. Simple barley water recipe. Rinse 2 tablespoons of whole barley grains thoroughly. Boil them in 4 cups of water for 25 to 30 minutes. Let it cool. Strain and pour into a glass bottle. Optional, add a splash of lemon juice or a tiny bit of raw honey, only if not diabetic. Drink 1 cup in the morning on an empty stomach, and another cup later in the day. For deeper cleansing, you can sip small amounts throughout the day, just make sure it's unsweetened and low sodium. Caution. Choose whole barley, hulled or pearl barley, not instant or processed barley drink powders. If you are gluten sensitive or celiac, barley is not suitable, it contains gluten. Those with advanced kidney disease or restricted fluid intake should consult a doctor before increasing fluids. In summary, barley water is one of the most gentle, safe, and effective natural drinks you can add to your morning routine for kidney cleansing and protection. It hydrates, detoxifies, and supports overall urinary system function, making it a smart, science-backed choice if you're looking to prevent kidney damage and avoid dialysis down the road. Our second drink is celery juice, freshly blended. A natural cleanser that hydrates, detoxifies, and supports kidney health. Celery juice has become increasingly popular, and for good reason. This humble green stalk is a powerhouse of hydration, natural minerals, and plant compounds that support kidney function in multiple ways. Why celery juice is good for your kidneys. Natural diuretic. Celery contains compounds like phthalides and potassium that act as natural diuretics. This means it helps increase urine output, allowing your body to flush out toxins, excess fluids, and waste more efficiently. This helps reduce the load on your kidneys. Reduces uric acid and kidney stone risk. Celery juice may help eliminate uric acid crystals, which contribute to kidney stone formation and gout. By keeping the body more alkaline and promoting regular urination, celery helps prevent the buildup of stone-forming minerals. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is one of the leading causes of chronic kidney disease. Celery contains apigenin and luteolin, two antioxidants with strong anti-inflammatory properties that help protect delicate kidney tissues from damage. Rich in antioxidants and electrolytes. Celery is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, folate, and antioxidants, which support overall kidney and cardiovascular health. Its high water content also helps maintain proper fluid balance in the body. Improves blood pressure and blood flow to the kidneys. Healthy kidneys need steady blood flow to function. Celery can help lower high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney failure, thanks to its vasodilating compounds that relax blood vessels. How to make kidney-friendly celery juice, safely. 1. Take 2 to 3 fresh celery stalks, preferably organic. 2. Rinse thoroughly to remove dirt or pesticide residue. 3. Blend with half a cup of water until smooth. 4. Optional, add 1/2 cucumber or a squeeze of lemon juice for extra detox and flavor. 5. Strain if preferred, or drink as is with fiber. 6. Drink immediately in the morning, on an empty stomach for best absorption. Important notes. Do not add salt or sugar, this defeats the purpose. Avoid drinking celery juice in excess if you have low blood pressure or are on blood-thinning medications. Celery is naturally high in vitamin K. If you have existing kidney stones, check with your doctor first, as celery does contain some oxalates, which may aggravate certain types of stones. In summary, celery juice is one of nature's best-kept secrets when it comes to natural kidney cleansing. It hydrates, detoxifies, and helps your kidneys function more efficiently, all without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Even a small glass a few mornings a week can make a big difference in your long-term kidney health. Our final drink is parsley tea, the kidney's natural detox assistant. Parsley isn't just a garnish, it's a powerful healing herb with surprising benefits for your kidneys. When brewed into tea, parsley becomes a gentle but effective detoxifier that can help cleanse your kidneys, reduce the risk of infections, and prevent kidney stones. Used in ancient medicine across cultures, from Europe to the Middle East, parsley tea remains a science-backed natural remedy for improving urinary tract and kidney function. Why parsley tea is good for your kidneys. 1. Powerful natural diuretic. Parsley stimulates the kidneys to produce more urine, helping your body flush out toxins, sodium, and excess fluid. This diuretic effect reduces the burden on the kidneys and may help reduce blood pressure and prevent water retention, especially helpful in early stages of kidney stress. More urine output equals faster removal of harmful waste equals cleaner kidneys. 2. Helps prevent kidney stones. Parsley is rich in compounds like apiol and myristicin, which help increase urinary output and reduce calcium oxalate stone formation. It also contains oxalate-reducing phytochemicals, which may help break down small crystals before they become painful kidney stones. 3. Fights urinary tract infections, UTIs. UTIs can damage the kidneys if they travel upward and go untreated. Parsley has antibacterial properties and increases urine flow, both of which help flush bacteria out of the urinary system and protect the kidneys from infection. 4. Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Parsley is packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids like luteolin, apigenin, and vitamin C. These compounds help calm inflammation in the kidneys and combat free radical damage, which can contribute to chronic kidney disease. 5. Supports blood pressure and kidney circulation. Parsley contains potassium, which supports healthy blood pressure, a major factor in preventing kidney failure. High blood pressure damages the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys over time, so parsley tea helps both directly and indirectly protect these vital organs. How to make parsley tea, the right way. Simple recipe. 1. Rinse a handful of fresh parsley leaves, flat or curly. 2. Chop them roughly to release the oils. 3. Boil 2 cups of water, remove from heat, and add the parsley. 4. Let steep for 10 to 15 minutes, covered. 5. Strain and sip warm, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Optional, add a squeeze of lemon juice or a small slice of fresh ginger for enhanced cleansing and taste. Safety notes. Drink no more than 1 cup per day, and no more than 3 to 4 days per week, unless approved by your healthcare provider. Not recommended for pregnant women or those on blood thinners, as parsley can stimulate the uterus and contains vitamin K. If you have advanced kidney disease, check with your doctor before increasing herbal intake. In summary, parsley tea is one of nature's most underrated herbal tonics for kidney support. It gently increases urine flow, fights infections, reduces stone formation, and delivers a burst of antioxidants to protect delicate kidney tissues. Adding parsley tea to your morning routine, even just a few times a week, can help keep your kidneys clean, balanced, and functioning at their best. If you found these kidney-friendly drinks helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps others discover it too.